Dear students, myself Dr. Jitendra appear before you during this global corona crisis with some of the facts related to class 10th biology curriculum. Dear student, there are three things in the world: living, non-living and dead. Living are those who possesses life, like bee people, plants, virus, even bacteria. But non-living are those which are having no life, like stone, water, air. But dead are those which were having life once, but now they lost that life. The curriculum related to class 10th biology is so interesting and important, not for the students only, but for general study or general people. A student can acquire more and more marks in science through biology, but as a general, they can also equip themselves for their whole life, because the things or the material available in class 10th biology curriculum is not only aware you about the surroundings, but about yourself. You will know everything about your life, your body, externally, internally, as well as their elements, their cube. So let's start with the living.
Let us start with our topic, life processes. Life process. There are three things in the world, that is living, non-living and dead. Living includes human, trees, bacteria, which are possessing life. Non-living are those who have never life, like stone, water, air. But another is dead, who were possessing life once, but now lost their life. So here is the question, what is life? Students, no one can define the life exactly. Someone has tried it in their own ways, like one of our poet, Kavivar R.C. Prasad Singh, in his poetic language, suggested that यह जीवन क्या है, निर्झर है, मस्ती ही इसकी पानी है, सुख दुख के दोनों तीरों से चल रहा राह मनवानी है. But that is the poetic view. We should not go to philosophical life. We will remain in biology, and here in biology, life is a capacity. But now, what is that capacity? That capacity is expressed through several characteristics, and such characteristics that differentiate living from non-living or dead is called life processes. Okay? We study these life processes in a branch of biology called physiology. In class 10th, we will learn some of the important branches, that is physiology, genetics and evolution, as well as ecology. Now we will start with some important life processes like nutrition, respiration, molecular movement, that is transportation, excretion, reproduction, control and coordination. But among all, that is metabolism, should be learned well. What is metabolism? Metabolism are all biological reactions occurs inside the living cells that may be constructive, like protein synthesis, photosynthesis. Such metabolism are called anabolism, and another is catabolism. It deals about the destructive processes, destructive biological processes like respiration. Children, we should define the nutrition now. Actually, nutrition is an important life process by which an organism obtained all those things required for their growth, development, maintenance, and energy. Broadly, nutrition can be grouped in 2 or 3 major groups. First is autotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition, organisms can synthesize their own food with the help of the inorganic material of their surroundings. Heterotrophic nutrition are those nutrition in which organisms cannot synthesize their own food by themselves but depend on others, like bee people and even bacteria, parasites. But there is a slight or minimized group of another mode that is called mixotrophic nutrition. Mixotrophic nutrition shows the nature of autotrophic nutrition as well as heterotrophic nutrition, like insectivorous plants, euglena are the very good example of mixotrophic nutrition. Now, heterotrophic nutrition. During heterotrophic nutrition, as I told you, organisms procured their food from other living organisms, not from the inorganic materials directly. They need food. In fact, all living organisms required food. So,